Beauty is all around us. Just take a moment and see it, and let it inspire your soul. Hey stamp makers, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am your girl Nika. If you're new here, hey girl, hey. If you're returning, welcome back. If you are on your glow up journey and you like everything fashion, beauty, lifestyle, inspo, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Push the post notification bell so you don't miss when we drop the new heat. And let's get right into it. This video is going to be in no particular order, but these are some of my most grabbed products for the month of August. And as I'm sitting here looking at my vanity, I think I grabbed too many. So we're going to see how long this is going to be. And if it's too long, I'm going to make a part 2. But we have some house stuff, body, fragrance, makeup. I probably have more house stuff, but for right now I only have one. So we're just going to start from the left to the right. Starting with this Glow Recipe. This is the Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. It's a makeup eraser plus a cleanser, so it takes your makeup off and cleanses at the same time. Will I repurchase this? Probably not. Actually, I will not. For the price, and I feel like it really went fast. It really wasn't. I mean, it wasn't all that. It's nice, but yeah, I probably wouldn't buy it again. Yeah, so that's that. I'm just letting you know if I will buy it, rebuy it, or not. We have the e.l.f. This is the Cool Berry Dew Stick in Rose. Let me clean this off. So I just found this at, what do you call it, Marshall's one day I went, and I definitely will buy again. Do you see that? I believe it was like $4.99. Y'all, I won't have all the prices, but definitely will buy that again. They did have some different ones. So when I found it, I was like, ooh, I gotta go back and grab some others. Now, the Fenty Eaze Drop, or no, this is, yeah, the Eaze Drop. I would buy this again. I have had this for a long time, but I do like this. This is one of the few products that I like from her line. It's very natural. If you just want to put something on quick, even out your skin tone, Eaze Drop is where it's at. Yes. Now we're going, okay, let me stay with the cleansers. The next thing is the Dr. Dennis. This is the creamy cleansing oil. It has vitamin C lactic. I really like this. It's not too harsh for me. I don't know. It's very gentle, and I really, really like this to remove makeup, everything. So I will definitely purchase this again. The next was a find that I found at Burlington. This is Gabrielle Union Flawless Scalp Spray. It has peppermint oil, rosemary oil, aloe, and bakuri butter. I think is how you pronounce. It hydrates and soothes. It actually tells you to put it in the refrigerator to make it cool. So I did just pull it out the refrigerator. I love spraying this on my hair every 3 days. Baby, you can feel it like doing its thing after you spray it. Definitely will buy that again. It was $5.99 at Burlington, but she has it on the website and Amazon. As y'all can see, I need another one. This is the Caudalie hand cream. This is hand and nail repair cream. Definitely will repurchase this. This helps your cuticles. When I tell you, if you have dry hands, listen, baby, I was like, oh, squeezing it out of there. But this is amazing. It's $16, but it's definitely worth it. It hydrates your hands so good. And then, like I said, it's a nail for your nails as well. So, and it smells good. Definitely will buy again. Moving along, I'm going to do a not going to buy again. The Loreal Bright Reveal. This is the daily UV lotion, SPF 50. The only reason why I will not buy this again is because it leaves a white cast. So you can't wear this alone. You can see it. I don't really reach for it. It was a waste of money. I should have took it back. Will not buy again. Definitely will buy again because I stay buying this is the Tartelette mascara. Tartelette tubing mascara. Definitely need to buy a new one. I do say that I've seen that they have it in brown as well, so definitely will buy again. The One Size Oil Sucker Primer to adjust. This is the extreme mattifying. Definitely will buy it again. The moment you put this on your face, you could, it's sucking it up. So we definitely will buy this again. I don't even know if they would have this again because this was on sale for $5.99 and it came with 5. This is the Glade Rose and Bloom Notes. We'll definitely buy again if I could try to find this scent. Very pretty in a bathroom. So as you can see, I have 1 left. Also use the Gain ones. I could have brought that in here, but yeah. Another one is the Method Body Pure Peace body wash. We'll definitely buy again. Love the smell. Love how it feels. Yeah, it's amazing. It is infused with, is it Pinot, rose water, and pink sea salt. It says this peacefully purifying body wash leaves your skin feeling moisturized and smelling like a no stress zone. When I tell you it has you smelling chef kiss, definitely buying again. That is out. Moving on to another mascara, we have the YSL. We'll definitely purchase this. This is in the black. I like it. It doesn't, I don't know, it doesn't feel like it clumps or anything. I really like this. The wand is, oh, I should have showed y'all the other wand. This wand is a lot bigger. It's like that. I'm going to show you guys the tubing. The tubing mascara gets on like every lash possible, so it's really great. As you can see that wand. Yeah. Still got some lotion on my hand. So yeah, really like those. Moving along to some blushes. The e.l.f. would definitely buy this again. This here is in the shade Coral Crush. Definitely buy this again. It's like $7. Super pigmented, super beautiful. Which leads me, I'm going to go ahead and say this. The Huda Beauty. I probably will not buy this again. This was $21 versus $7, and this is a dupe. I'm going to show it to you guys one day, but it's a dupe. So I definitely will not buy the Huda Beauty. Yeah. Also going to another blush, the NYX. Do y'all say NYX? Why did I say NYX? NYX. This is in the shade Butter with Thyme. So pretty, pigmented. Another good one. I'm a blush and mascara kind of junkie, and concealer, so your girl's gonna probably have it if it's, you know, not that I need a new one, but I would probably buy that again. Next concealer is the Urban Decay Naked Concealer. I would buy this again. I actually have repurchased this here. This is the 70 in, and then I have the deeper one I use for contouring and highlight. This is waterproof, full coverage, and it's amazing. Just saying. Next, I will not buy this again. This is the Got To Be Glue Brow and Edge Gel. I feel like it leaves it a little too flaky. And yeah, it was all crusty and whatnot. Also, do I have it? I don't think it's right here. The Anastasia, this is the Brow Freeze Gel. I would not purchase this again. This definitely leaves your brows crusty and has all that white stuff, like it's a hot mess. I will not purchase that again. Alright, the Fenty lip liners, I will purchase again. They are very pigmented, don't budge type of ordeal. She did her thing on that one. Definitely will purchase that again. Bringing me down to the Fenty Gloss in Chocolate. Will purchase again. This, Chef's Kiss. Chef's Kiss. I cannot find the her gloss bomb. First of all, I buy lip products and I can't find them. So my pink sugar I bought in birthday cake. Would not buy that again. Don't know where it's at. And then her lip balm I bought in, what shade was that? It was the lightest shade. I probably wouldn't buy it again. It's very pretty on, but you have to reapply it too much, and I don't have time for that. I don't like to keep reapplying lip products. Next thing is Haus Labs, the foundation. Baby, we purchasing this all the time. That's what I'm wearing today. Face is on flawless. This is amazing. If you have not, get yours. My shade is 330 medium cool. It's just flawless. Like, definitely will buy again. Now, if you know, you know. If you've been here before, you know that I love down Charlotte Tilbury. So, period. Will definitely buy again. I mean, I always buy. Don't ask me why these are here, because they're out. But definitely will buy again. I love it. You can actually use my discount code to get some money off. But when I tell you those are the best, it is called the Flawless Airbrush Flawless Filter. Yeah, Airbrush Flawless Finish. It's a powder. And when I tell you it gives you like that airbrush under eye effect, I call this thing the Airbrush Flawless Filter Finish because it looks like a filter. You be like, baby, filter where? Oh, okay. Now somebody with a filter said something. No, let me stop. But for real, hands down, we'll definitely buy again. So the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk, I would definitely buy again. I love this foundation as well. I love a dewy finish. Boom. Moving right along. The Makeup by Mario Bronzing and Shaping Serum. I would not buy this again. I don't like how it looks on me. It kind of looks muddy. Yeah, I know I was told to try the stick, so I'm going to try that next, but I would not buy this again. Next, we have the Vitamin C Radiant Body Glow plus Coconut Oil from Bath & Body Works. If they have this still, I would definitely buy it again. It is so beautiful, bronzy, glowy. Perfect for the summertime. The next thing we have is the Dr. Dennis Pill Pads. I use these in extra strength. We'll definitely buy them again. They're amazing on my face. My face was jacked up. I'm going to try to post a picture. And then the next day it was calming. Like, definitely helped. The Peach and Lily Water Dew. Or what is this? Wild Dew treatment. Definitely will purchase again. It does my skin wonders. I love a dewy, like I said, glowing from within. We will get that again. We also have the Snail Mucin. I will buy this again. I know a lot of people don't like this, but this actually works on my skin, so I would repurchase that. Moving along to another not repurchase is a Shea Moisture Whole Body Stick. I don't feel like it did anything. The smell, no. If anything, it makes me musty, and I'm not even a musty girl, so will not purchase that again. I'm mad I didn't take that back. Yeah. Next is the EOS body lotion. This one is in Fresh and Cozy. Would definitely buy this again. I have the pink one as well. Would repurchase. Need to repurchase. Almost out. But I'm trying not to buy stuff until I run out. Which brings me to the Trader Joe's butter, the body butter. This is freaking amazing. It is a pink dragon fruit and jasmine scent. When I tell you it smells so good and it makes your skin so hydrated, definitely will repurchase this again. I have to repurchase it before they just don't have it anymore. I'm not really sure. Then last but not least, I have a few fragrances that I would definitely repurchase. These aren't any of, these are more of the what do you call it, affordable line. Zara. This is in Feels at Nightfall. Then we have the Glossier. Definitely get that again. Smells so amazing. We have another Zara that is Wonder Rose. Sometimes you can't find these perfumes again, so I don't know if I would be able to purchase from Zara. But we have the Mix Bar Vanilla Bourbon from Target. Mix this with YSL Libre. So bomb. And then last but not least, Jackie Aina Forever Mood. This is in You Remind Me. They're such fresh scents. So beautiful. Get so many compliments. Yeah. I know I probably ran through that, but I'm going to link everything down below. I'm pretty sure I have a lot more, but I feel like that's a lot of products that I use this month that I like. But until next time, please like, comment, and subscribe. We coming back. I don't even have an excuse where I've been. We coming back. So as always, please check up on a loved one. Tell somebody you love them. Pay it forward. Smile at somebody. You never know what people are dealing with. People deal with silent battles every day. So be a positive light. Spread positivity. And you know what it is. Live, love, laugh.